Hello, my name is Priyanka Madhukar Gauri. I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor of Electrical Engineering in 2020 from People Education Society, Naksen 1, Aurangabad. I was searching for a job in IT company. After unfortunately, I was not getting success. After searching a lot, I heard about the Evision Technoser Private Limited. Evision Technoser Private Limited is an IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing job consultancy company. I found that Evision Technoser is a job consultancy company, and I had joined a full day job internship program. After joining internship, I got some real-time work experience like core technology, CCNA, switching and routing, Windows administration, Linux administration, and and also cyber security. There were different trainers for module such Tarun sir, Vibhushit sir, and Roshan sir, and Windows administration. I learn about the different models such as task scheduler, event viewer, device manager, disk cleanup, and their password policies in Windows. And also I learn about the how to uh, how to backup Windows OS in recovery recovery key, and also how to secure BitLocker encryption in disk drive, and also learn about in Windows Server 2012 R2 domain environment, and also workgroup environment, and also Active Directory domain services ADDS role, and how to and also learn about the new user domain and domain joining process, and also learn about the domain network in Windows deployment encryption, and also learn about the mailing system and protocol, and there are different types of protocols such as POP, POP3, IMAP, and SMTP, etc. And also I learn manual and automatically mail configuration, and also I learn how to take remote access through RDP in CCNA. I learn many good practical such as basics of networking, basics of IP addressing, and different types of cable, etc. And also I learn routing and switching configuration and dynamic routing configuration such as EIGRP, OSPF, HRCPF, DSCP, and IRP. And also I learn subnetting concepts and different types of WAN technology like PAP and CHAP authentication, and its configuration. And also I learn access control list and NAT type, that is network address translation, and also then I learn about the switching concept, that is VLAN, inter VLAN, default routing switching, and also I learn wireless concept and IPv6, and also many more things during the internship. And I learn different troubleshooting error for different issues such as BSOD issue, system hanging issue, driver issue, incoming and outgoing mail sending issues, PST backup issue, how to create a new PST backup issue, etc. And then how every practical is done is equivalent to the 100 is equivalent to the IT company experience. I feel that 80 to 90% of the 80 to 90% of the each and every practical and theoretical concept of Windows administration and CCNA is covered during with the module. And every weekend there was a mock interview and PPT presentation. I will attend the mock interview and troubleshoot that error, and also later on my skill and my skill I feel that my skill and knowledge are real time work experience. I confident that I will crack the interview, and I sure that I will prove for the company for assess, and also I will try for 100% growth of the company. Thank you.